If you want to remove yourself as the sponsor of a teen's Cash App account, this guide will walk you through the process and explain a few extra steps you can take to prevent future requests. Basically, Cash App sponsor and the unsponsor apply to accounts for users under 18 years old. A sponsor is a parent or trusted adult who approves and supervises a teen's Cash App account. As a sponsor, you can approve the teen's account, view their transaction history, help manage certain account features, and you can be contacted if there are issues with the account. When you unsponsor someone, you remove yourself as the sponsoring adult. So after doing so, you will no longer supervise the teen's account. The teen may lose access to certain Cash App features until another eligible adult becomes their sponsor or they become eligible for a standard adult account depending on the Cash App's current policies. Now, if you see an unsponsored button in Cash App, okay, you simply need to remove your sponsorship from that teen's account. After removing your sponsorship, it's a good idea to check your Cash App activity for any pending or referral related requests. So to do that, you need to open the Cash App, go to your activity, look for any pending referral or payment requests, and then I need you to tap the person's name. Select cancel if the request is still pending. Now, canceling a pending referral request can prevent any associated referral bonus or payout from being completed. But if the person already appears in your contacts or activity, you can block them to prevent future payment or request activity. To do that, all I have to do when you are on your Cash App account, go to Privacy and Security Settings. Select the option to add new to your blocked list. Search for the person's $cash tag, select their profile and block them. Blocking someone prevents them from sending you future payment requests or interacting with you through here in Cash App. But if you're still experiencing issues such as needing referral reversal or having trouble blocking someone, you need to contact the Cash App support directly through the app. Explain your situation carefully and provide any relevant transaction or referral details. The support team can review your account and let you know what options are available. Basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.